So who's slugging who's dick, bro? That bent over. Yo.
Got you.
Esto que trae, güey.
Got you. I had already won. How did you win? That's first.
Yo, you touch his first? What?
Look at her. She's don't mind it. Look at that. Blue, aqua, turquoise. No? Green, yeah. Un chapuzón, ¿listo?
Ocean Park, ¿verdad? Yeah, this tree looks cool at night. I don't know if you guys noticed, it has like the amber colored lights. ¿Se pusieron sunblock?
Do you?
Yeah, sí, pues yo siempre puse sunblock.
I didn't get a chance. ¿Juegan fútbol aquí en Puerto Rico?
Is this public parking or what?
Yeah.
We'll mostly park here. If you guys want to park here, go to the door. Sure. Let's see what. Alright, boys. We made it the next day. It was tough. Packed shit last night.
Before we had to turn in the Airbnb, we turned in like half an hour late or more.
It's crazy. I got some chicken, some sunny side egg. What you get?
I got chicken and waffles.
Chicken waffles.
Bacon, mushroom sandwich.
No. What about you?
Got my chorizo burrito, culazo tortillas, and got my burrito.
Damn. Alright. So pretty much after this, we plan to go to the beach. And just chill pretty much because we don't have a place to stay, so we can't go anywhere. So it looks like the island is our home for until we, get a place to live. So we'll go out tonight, all night long, until we find a place to stay.
El Batman, el Guasón, Batman and Joker.
Just came from Walmart. We don't have a place to stay.
This is where we're staying.
This is literally where we're staying, dude. Literally where we're changing before we go out to Old San Juan tonight. We're so tired from after last night, and I think we're just gonna actually just chill it there and go to sleep. Enjoy the water a little bit, the vibes. But other than that, just get some rest because we really need that. Got the drinks right there. La Bordadora. I wish we were having fun like that, but Juan tends to take his time a little bit. He's all fuzzed up, fog brain. He might have just gotten COVID out here. We just parked the vehicle.
No.
We are finally going to the beach. We're finally going to the beach, guys. This is what it looks like out here.
Condado Beach.
So I'm looking at the water right now. That shit look fresh as hell.
Beautiful, bro.
That shit look nice as hell. God. God. Yo. Let's get it. What? Alright guys, we got the setup already. We got a couple towels, we got the drinks, brought everything up, and my boy X over here turned out a good deal with the La Maricas, Las Baricuas over here, with these chairs and umbrellas. And we're about to get a tan of his life. And yeah. Done with the beach now. Got to rest. Probably took one of the best naps I've ever had here in Puerto Rico on the beach. As you can see, dude, it's beautiful right now. Now the deal is we're trying to go find somewhere to rent because we're a little sandy and all that stuff. So we're gonna go try to find like a little fountain or something to go rinse off, wash our feet, wash our face because we feel sandy as hell. And after that, the plan is maybe go get something to eat and then eventually go to San Juan or something, Old San Juan, and see where the nightlife is there and see how it is. Mira este chango, mira. What's up? Okay. We got a shower already or what?
Ya estamos listos para la noche.
A la noche, vámonos. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. We just made it to the ferry. We're packing. We're getting ready to go. Yeah, we're in a hurry. We just came from Old San Juan. I don't even know we got footage, bro, because it's so busy. It's hectic as I mean, we really appreciate you guys staying tuned. It is what it is. We're out here late. We did have a little problem, but not really. Yeah, low pressure. We stopped at a gas station. That wasn't even filling up, bro. I don't know about this Puerto Rico air, but it wasn't working on the tires. You know how we do it. We out here, Bear Hooligans. We're in the crazy. We got the shuttle pulling up right now. Hopefully we don't miss the ferry. Fun fact, guys, this is actually the first time I'm riding a ferry. I've always wanted to ride a ferry. I don't know if it's gonna be like I expected, but we'll see, right? How you feeling right now, KJ?
Tired.
We tired, bro. I tell you, when we tired, we tired. Well, we got some decent content coming for you guys. We've been struggling, so anything that we didn't record is because we're in a hurry.
And we're living.
And we're, to be honest, we're living, dude. And it's tough, but we're living, dude. We're doing this all for you guys. But how you feeling? Going out tonight as Old San Juan.
I think only like maybe 10 minutes from that hour.
10
ride.
minutes? Yeah. Yo. But you know what? That's why I'm here, guys. Ochoa got you guys' bags. We're here to drive. You know, we on that. What about my boy X out here?
We tired.
That's right. But again, we do it for y'all. Look at Google Gaga. Look at that.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
It's the shuttle.
No, this is a dog.
Where? Dude, no, that's chupacabra. That's the brown chupacabra. The light brown chupacabra. No, bro. That's a legendary Llorona dog.
You know what I couldn't find?
It's awesome.
It saw us. That's what it scared them. It scared of los perros, bro. We the real perros. We out here. We're bears. Me and KJ holding it down, bro. We bros right here. I know. Try to keep it together, like I told you. I mean, but this is life, bro. We drove about like an hour and 15 minutes, middle of nowhere, sober as fuck, and you know, following the rules of the road. All right, y'all ready? Let's get it.
Esto te lo quita.
¿Este también?
Sí.
Vale. Oh, yeah. I'm over here dropping you guys. Everybody good? Las mochilas? Se le dan al joven acá. We're gonna try to be respectful, so we're not gonna be recording here. I'll catch you guys later. Looks like we're not the only ones that are taking the ferry by themselves at 3. Fuck, I forgot to tell time, dude. I need to go back to school. That's 30. That's fucking 30. That's 35. Like 39, so it's like 3:39. The lights are starting to turn on. But when we first got here, dude, it was dark. I'm telling you, we're like in the middle of nowhere, like the corner of fucking Puerto Rico or some shit. That shit was dark as hell. We got KJ doing the works. He's the one who fucking take care of the boletos. Shout out KJ. Yo, I'm fucking kind of nervous to go on this boat. I wonder if it's that kind of ferry where, like, if you guys ever seen Princess and the Frog and shit, where they take like a boat in the middle of the swamp and shit. I wonder if it's gonna be like that. Fucking lit up here, boys. Going over here. You already know, look at this. It's fucking graduation all over again. We're getting ready. We're about to see some crocodiles. Buenos días. Sí, todos cuatro. Okay, gracias. Alright, 200K lights. KJ jump off the boat on the way over here. Butt ass naked. You gotta add 50 likes to that. Butt ass naked. Yo, look at it. Look at this dude. What you doing? Shit. You already know the Bear Hooligans can't go without schmacks. Barely anything in that hotel. God damn, bro. Let's get to work, boys. Oh. We're almost there, guys. You can see it in the fucking background. That's a fucking good thumbnail. Hey, dude, La Chupacabras here again, dude. Hey, you guys want to see La Chupacabra? Hold up. It's a little dark, but... Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Puerto Rico has Chupacabras. Look.
Well, that's where they're originally from, dude, if you didn't know.
La Chupacabras originally from Puerto Rico? Yeah. Nah, you're lying to me.
Right.
So, it's not from, like, Mexico? So, that's like a fun fact?
What fact?
No, mira. Bro, guys, look at this shit, bro. Hey, is this a new experience? Yeah. Mark it off the bucket list and shit. What the hell? We in this hole, bro. Oi. Holy shit. Yo, this feels like I'm in Call of Duty.
That's what I was
thinking. I'm like fucking beginning a fucking round, dude. Yo, this is crazy. You have, dude, the captain is up there normally. Oh my god, it reminds me of that one zombie match. That zombie where you were on the boat and stuff, and it was impossible to survive on that boat for sure. Restricted area, no. It's a haunted house. Buenos dias. And they got the fire extinguisher. Dude, they got the life vest just in case we need it. Alright guys, how's it feel the fucking first time being a fucking ferry, dude?
It's unreal.
If you were Peter Pan, were you fuck Tinkerbell? Just random question.
I think I would kill her if I did.
You did? What?
Am I like human? Like,
dude, don't think too much about things. You gotta just...
Where's my weapon?
Okay, question of the day. If you're Peter Pan, will you fuck Tinkerbell?
If I peed my pants?
No, wait. If you were Peter Pan, would you fuck Tinkerbell?
If it were physically possible.
No, wait. Don't think about it too much. Are you attracted to her?
Which one? There's different versions.
The one you remember from Disney 365. Yeah, the animated one. You smash?
Yeah.
I know y'all smash. Stop lying to us, bro. Anyways. Yeah, first time on a ferry, this is what kind of looks like. Everybody's like in a waiting. Oh, there's TVs up there.
I thought it would be upstairs.
You think it'd be upstairs?
I'm kind of glad we're not in the cold.
It's not cold outside.
You don't think so when it actually starts moving?
That's why I got my blanket, bro. What if you get bit by mosquitoes?
Dude, something bit me.
Oh shit, you might die, bro. Don't get
What did they bite something out like or something? Yo, what the?
Something bit me, bro.
Yo, what are you doing? Put your feet down, cochino.
Something bit me.
Can you just imagine this dude? You're lucky I don't suck the shit out of those toes right now, motherfucker.
So it'll be like, if y'all want an hour nap, now's a good time. Make sure you cut that shit, cause bro, I charge my OnlyFans.
Look, we ain't cutting shit. This is realistic, honestly. Bear hooligan shit.
I'm gonna lose money on my own
Look,
time.
whatever you lose, I'll make and pay you back. How about that?
You
Or
came
we
here-
make
you
together.
said
We
you
make
came here
content
to lose
together.
a lot of things, bro.
But I'm not gonna lose money.
Yeah, didn't you guys remember when he did say that he was gonna lose a lot of things, and what happened? He's losing. He lost all his money so far. He's sleep deprived for sure. What else?
That's good. Nobody wants some?
That's really good.
Want some?
Oh, no drinks, no food, right? All right, guys.
Oh, okay. That's cool. I brought other stuff too.
Hey,
That I'm not allowed to.
we break the rules, bro.
We're just telling you so you don't act surprised when he's telling you. Get the fuck out.
It's a big ass commotion.
He's gonna throw you overboard. What's the word? When you throw someone from the boat.
You're gonna throw me overboard.
Yeah.
Be the first buddy who have the boat. I can't wait to ride the shit out of these horses. But low key, I can't wait to get the Airbnb. So tell them what happened.
I held a
6%.
snake for $20.
Yo guys, we are running out of battery. We're gonna probably have to stop recording right now. So we'll be 50 minutes on here. We're gonna ride horses by the time we get there, so stay tuned. We're gonna ride the shit out of these horses. I'm just letting you know. I think KJ was the first one to knock out.
A ver si me enseñas. A ver si me enseñas un día.
You better be showing us how you fall asleep right away.
Is he gonna go for a swim?
What's the secret? No, he's a Navy SEAL. Or
Don't
general.
disrespect the Navy SEAL like that,
He's
bro.
a Puerto Rican 4-star general. Doesn't this look like from Sesame Street?
So is that even prestige yet, bro?
No, not yet, no. He still hasn't reached that. That's why his vest is not inflated yet.
They walk around with it.
He just walks around with it, bro. He's a G.I. Joe.
Wait. There's more honor in having that shit inflated.
Yeah, dude. What do you think it would look cooler, inflated?
Sounds like this guy doesn't know how to swim though.
Are we allowed to stand on the ferry?
I followed Kevin.
Ma'am, sit the fuck down. I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty cool.
Oh, here we are.
You guys wonder what a bathroom looks like in a ferry? Me too. Probably get a better view once we get outside. What the hell? Yo, what the hell? Was that a Cobra Lamborghini 392?
Brace yourselves.
All these other people waiting. Does it look like refugees? Oh my god. Guys, we came to save you. Guys, we officially made it. Oh my god. What? What? No fucking way.
Yo, we're in the same place.
We fucking landed, boys. You already know how we fucking do it. This looks like a whole fucking COD map, bro. Look at all these refugees, bro. The vibes have changed now that we are in an island. Everything seems like it's coming together. We have been on a mission the past 2 days, non-sleep, 48 hours, a couple naps. Everybody's awake right now. Like, what the fuck is happening right now, bro?
Wow, this is pretty. Which side of that chicken? No, it was that go with Nice.
That is a parigua chicken, right? Oh, there's multiple chickens, bro. They're like dogs. They're out here trying to survive. Oh, oilo,
You want a biscuit?
a biscuit.
Did you get any biscuits?
You guys heard what he said. Shout out Bear Hooligans. Go support, like, follow, stream, share.
That's a wild chicken, right?
You guys keep hearing him. Come on, stop, pause the video, do all that shit. As you can tell, we already got the horses up on there. Bienvenidos. Tell me this doesn't look fucking more real.
Is he dead, bro?
Who's dead?
Dude, he sliced.
Dude, rest in peace.
Sliced this guy.
The cartel. Oh no. Oh no, he's alive. He's sleeping, bro. Look. Okay, look at his throat. Look at his mouth.
Wait, he's a throat king?
Yeah, dude, motherfucker be getting throw. He's a good actor, dude. I mean, he is sliced up though, low key.
You got a dog behind us.
Where? Dude, it's another chupacabra, bro. Oh my god. this island doesn't feel like Puerto Rico. It feels like more like Mexico. But the thing is, like in San Juan, like area and stuff, I guess, it's more cats. And over here we're seeing dogs.
That's true. And he followed us.
And he's following us. So that means he wants to fuck me. Bro, tell me that's not a fucking Freemason sound, like a symbol right there. No way. Guys, zoom up on that. That looks abandoned. Right across is a fucking church, dude.
Real nice.
If you get jumped here, dude, it's fucking over.
You just gotta let it happen if you're getting jumped.
You act like they beat the shit out of you. We have dogs coming at us. We have chickens. We have the Freemasons. Cats. We're on our way to ride these horses, man. We actually have a dog that's just like following us around too. Horses came, cocks came, all types of fucking animals just started coming out of nowhere, dude. Let's get it. And Scooby be going hard with us. Scooby's riding with us, man. Motherfucker was swimming in the beach. Yeah, Scooby. It's Scooby-Doo pop.
Big jump. Enter Bobby right here. First leg and big jump.
You got number 69.
His name is Triple H, like the wrestler in the WWE. His name is Fox.
Fox?
Zorro, yeah. His name is Coffee. They used to call him 6'9".
That should be mine, no? Foxy, baby.
If you need to stop your horse, you're just gonna pull back soft, straight down low to your stomach. You pull back as much as you need it to stop, okay? Not now, because they already stopped. If we wanna go right, we wanna go left, just make pressure on the horse neck the way you wanna go, okay? Any questions for me?
Nope.
My name is Johnny, this is Emmanuel right there. Let's do this, guys. Vamos.
Baby, dime la verdad. Si te olvidaste de mí, yo sé que fue una noche nada más, que no se vuelve a repetir. Tal vez en ti quise encontrar lo que en otra perdí. Tu orgullo no me quiere hablar, entonces vamos a competir. A ver, ey, no me gusta perder. Dime qué vamos a hacer. Me paso mirando el cel, wow, no puede ser. Aunque me tarde un poco, juro que voy a responder. Quisiera volverte a ver. Quisiera volverte a ver encima de mí brincando. Lo rica que te ves chingando. No sé qué estamos esperando. El orgullo nos está ganando. Ey, baby, dime la verdad. Si te olvidaste de mí, yo sé que fue una noche nada más, que no se vuelve a repetir. Tal vez en ti quise encontrar, ey, lo que en otra perdí. Tu orgullo no me quiere hablar, entonces vamos a competir. A ver, ey, desde que nos vimos pienso en cómo nos comimos, ey. Después dividimos cada cual por su camino. En la alfombra aún están las manchas de vino. ¿Dónde está ese totito que lleva tiempo perdido? Si te digo que me gusta, que estás buena, no lo tomes por cumplido. Es que yo soy un bellaco, es que yo soy un atrevido. Ey. Y hace tiempo que quiero chingar contigo. Mami, te voy a dar hasta que te duela la popola como a glow. Me gusta tu flow, tranquilita, tú siempre te robas el show. Una perversa, le voy a dar dembow. Si se ponen cuatro, I go where she go. So mami, dime a ver, I wanna feel the pussy again. Tal vez en ti quise encontrar lo que en otra perdí. Tu orgullo no me quiere hablar, entonces vamos a competir. A ver, ey.
Alright, now that we're done with horseback riding, we are taking a taxi to the area where our Airbnb is going to be. We're just going to be in the area, see if we can find something to eat before our Airbnb is ready. It is about 11 o'clock. We can't get into our Airbnb until like 3 o'clock. So in the meantime, we're just going to have to waste time and, you know, keep running the streets how we've been doing. So we got off the shuttle. Kind of had to leave a suitcase at the Airbnb since we still can't get in. Texted the owner of the Airbnb we can get it in earlier, so instead of 4, we're gonna be able to get in at 2:30. Not much of a difference, still have to waste time. So we are on a walk to a restaurant to eat. We haven't eaten since yesterday when we ate burgers at night before we went to Old San Juan and partied. Man, we are exhausted. As you can tell, these guys are exhausted. It's okay. I'm here to keep them motivated. We good? Keep them hydrated. And we keep moving. We just got here to the place we're eating at. Guys, we just got our food. I'm eating arroz blanco con papas fritas y what is that, guys? Habichuela, which is pretty much just beans and it's fire as fuck, low key.
It's fire, right?
Yeah. And KJ, what are you eating right now?
Mixto.
Mixto de como
Shrimp.
mariscos and stuff like that.
Pulpo.
And then you got?
We got the chicken and the rice and the fried sweet plantains and the fries.
Damn, boys.
I got the same thing he got.
The same thing.
Except the plantains and the fries.
Plantain, you already know you can't go wrong with the katsu. The Hunt's katsu. Oye, vénganse para acá, las voy a enseñar mi pinche barrio. Oigan, vénganse para acá. Les voy a enseñar cómo... Oye, maricas, vénganse para acá. Les voy a enseñar algo. Este es mi parque, mira, este es mi parque. Aquí todas las cosas que pasan porque yo estoy aquí. Y les voy a enseñar otra cosa. ¿Quieren ver algo? Mira, este es mi caballo. Este es mi caballo. Todo morro. Aquí estamos todos. Es mi caballo y así cuidamos las cositas, ¿no? Es todo morro. Todo morro. Mira. El cabacito. No, bro, it's because of the way you move. Hey, that's the mom right there.
The mom is bigger?
I don't know. Hey, we got replay. We got replay in this bitch.
No, that's the dad, bro. That's the mom. He's smaller.
Look, he's about to eat you up.
Oh shit, dude.
Oh hell no. Dude, no, you know what, dude? I'll run out this motherfucker, bro.
I follow you, bro.
Hey, tranquilo, nomás se le quería enseñar mi barrio.
What does this path lead to?
I don't know, but I'm kind of gonna go down it. The shade's in here, dude. That's 2 big ass horses. Oh, they're running.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Oh, hell. Yo, that 2 motherfuckers running.
Yo, we need
You hear? Cause tonight's the night that I would die for you.
over and over
Motherfucker got a choker on his shit. We at the Airbnb, guys.
We're signing off our lives here.
I'm ready. Let's get it.
This man, you ready to die tonight?
Alright guys, we are getting ready for our, what is it, like excursion?
Bio Bay tour.
Bio Bay tour, which is pretty much like some Avatar shit, right? Yeah. We're gonna be taking this school bus right here, right behind me, and kayaking on the blue waters.
I don't mean to interrupt you, but as you know, I've been growing this for a reason.
Oh, look at this, guys. This Avatar does not play around. Look, he's gonna be connecting to the spiritual animals that he approaches and see if he's compatible. I'm telling you, Bear Hooligans do it all.
Stay tuned. And it is 100% consensual.
How you guys doing?
Ready. Estoy súper emocionado, chicos, chicas.
Was that supposed to be cut up Colombian?
Is you saying estamos excitados? You're a hit right now?
No, I'm excited. Exitoso.
¿Talentoso?
Yo tengo talento.
¿De qué, güey? ¿Talento de qué?
Mucha gente no lo sabe, pero yo puedo cantar.
Have they heard you talk on the show?
Yeah, he sang Happy Birthday.
Oh yeah, I sang Happy Birthday.
Oh shit, you're right, on the show.
Really
Wait, I gotta listen to that again, cause what episode was that?
3.
Was that episode 3?
4.
Damn, that's crazy. I will check that out.
I think it was 3.
We'll see if you keep your word. All right, we'll catch you guys over there.
Download that clip. You need to be.
What's up, baby? Dude, we are literally in the middle of the ocean, kinda. Not really. We're heading towards the glowing waters. Alright, right after the bioluminescence, whatever thing we went, where the water glows and stuff, we are at a restaurant called Lazy Jack's. It's not too far from where we're staying. So I think it's literally like the only bar / restaurant that's like open till 1 o'clock in the morning. So it's pretty late. Everyone's here. All right, guys. While we're waiting for food, we forgot to order. So the only thing they can serve us is pizza, which is cool with that. We ordered 2 large pizzas, 1 pepperoni, 1 cheese. Hopefully we have leftovers, so tomorrow we can cook that in the microwave and eat up. We are still getting some Q&A questions, so we thought we should answer one while we're out here in the video. And what's the question, boys?
Are you close with your parents?
I'm very close to my mom. I am a mama's boy. My dad, like every Mexican, I feel like our dads are always so tough. You know what I mean? Dads are always so tough. It's a little different. I feel like, but no matter what, yeah, I'm pretty close to them. I will still do anything for them. My mom, for sure, always loved. And yeah, I'm pretty close to my parents. What about you? How you feel? Are you close to your parents?
Yeah, I'd say so. Still hang out with them. I go out to movies with my dad sometimes.
If you had a favorite, what would it be? What's the difference between your mom and your dad? Like,
with my dad, I'm mostly just chilling, watching TV, watching the movies, watching the soccer game. My mom is more of like going around doing errands with her, which it's cool. I mean, it's time where I feel like I'm spending with her.
How's your relationship with your parents?
I think it's good. It's different now. Obviously, I'm older.
What's the difference between your mom and your dad? Are they like different people?
No, I mean, in what way?
Is your dad more strict than your mom?
Oh, the strict one? My mom was bad cop. My dad was good cop.
Kind of like your dad's more like a best friend. Your mom was always like, I don't still love you, but still love you.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I definitely learned to appreciate what she did for me now that I'm older, you know?
Yeah. If you guys haven't noticed, they are brothers. I mean, you guys should have known by now, but this is a reveal on the trip. They are brothers. So if you're watching this, you got into the part where you find that out. What about you, X?
I like to say we're close, yeah. Both of them.
Do you say your dad's different than your mom? In which way?
I probably communicate more like intimate stuff with my mom.
Okay, yep.
But I can still like rely on my dad for instance shit if I needed to.
Yeah, same. I agree. If you guys want us to keep answering questions and stuff like that, we still got a couple more coming in. But we just thought we'll answer one while we're out here waiting on food to do something. Again, we really appreciate you guys watching the video, supporting, share it. We are coming on all platforms, so get ready. We are walking the streets of Puerto Rico. What's the island again?
Island.
Vieques? Yaques? Oh, Yak. Yes. Watch out, skinwalker right there, guys.
Do not pet that motherfucker.
It's just a kitty cat. Oh shit! Did he attack? Yo.
We hungry. We hungry.
All right, guys. Top to the morning to ya.
So
we just got out of the Airbnb, checked out, came straight to the beach just because we have nowhere to stay. We're homeless again, but we came to, what is this beach called again?
Caracas.
Caracas Beach.
Like you're from Venezuela, but you're not.
Is,
You know Caracas?
bro, look at this beach. Holy shit.
What was it called in English?
This is where all the models, Instagram models, celebrities go when they come on this island. So, I mean, got another celebrities right here.
Hay momentos que quisiera verte, pero creo que así es mejor. No verte es mejor.
Fuiste la única persona con la que podía ser yo mi amor. Ahora ya acabó.
Ya acabó todo ese tiempo tan bonito, porque creo que siento que yo no te necesito junto a mí. Junto a mí.
Y al carajo todos esos besos que me regalaste, porque ven la situación en la que dejaste a mí. Corazón por ti.
Ya acabó todo eso lindo que te di.
Te va, mija.
Yo te quise mucho, mucho, mucho. Ya te superé y que lo sepa el mundo. Que ahora te quiero pero lejos de mí. Tú no eres bueno y mucho menos pa' mí. Tus besos los extraño pero no como pensé. Fue lindo lo que hubo pero viene algo mejor, lo sé. Y al lado tuyo no lo es.
Y acabó todo ese tiempo tan bonito, porque creo que siento que ya no te necesito junto a mí. Junto a mí.
Me dijeron que lo subes en la foto de tu estado, porque yo esas cosas de ti no las ando checando, en fin. Yo ya soy feliz.
Ya acabó todo eso lindo que te di. Ya acabó todo eso lindo que te di.
Ya acabó todo eso lindo que te di.
Téngame paciencia, ¿ok? por ver tus ojos al volver, tu piel recorrer. Famoso, hazme beber algo bien, más que bien.
No se va a poder, por más que lo intenté. Te tocó perder. Olvida ya el ayer, hace un mes. También te quería ver.
Tienes que entender, no queremos reconocer una y otra vez. Cometimos errores que
No se arreglan ya. Cuento de nunca y acabar. Vamos a aceptar. Tú por aquí, yo por allá. Recordaré por siempre en mi vida, bebé. Y aunque ya lo sé, que nunca ya te podré ver. Y eso que, pues te amo, bebé.
te llevé a tener, también escogió de Cartier. Y un día se me fue, para un día nunca ya volver. Se me fue, no sé qué hacer.
Tienes que entender, no queremos reconocer.
Alright, boys, we were able to get the ferry a little earlier today, instead of later o'clock at 8 o'clock. But over here in front of us, they do have a little shop. Just got myself a pincho de pollo. So like that. Looks fire out. Got myself some Takis and a water bottle. Sadly, I also had to get myself some Advil because I don't know, I'm feeling kind of weird. It's probably the bio water that I ate last night, that I drank last night. They said not to drink, but I felt a little magical and I had to try it. I'm eating chicken and the soup is fire. That's just fire sound. Alright guys, it's been a busy fucking night of just trying to get everything ready. Just made it to car rental place, returned the car. Now we're here just figuring it out. About to take a shuttle to the fucking plane. Again, you know the vibes, let's get it.